Chapter 14, Thermodynamics. Thermodynamics work. Solve problem related to work done in isothermal process. Solve problems related to the work done in isobaric process and isochoric process. Thermodynamics work. The work done in the thermodynamic system. Consider the infinitesimal work done by the gas system during the small expansion dx in a cylinder with a movable piston as shown in figure 14.1. Suppose that the cylinder has a cross-sectional area A and the pressure exerted by the gas system at the piston face is P. The work done dW done by the gas is given by dW is equal to F dx cos theta. F, force, is equal to pressure P times area A. So pressure P is equal to force per area. So dW is equals to PA dx. A dx is equal to dV. So dW is equal to P dV. dV is the change of volume. In a finite change of volume from initial volume V1 to final volume V2, integrate dW is equal to integrate V2 final volume V1 P dV. So the work done is equal to integrate final volume V2 V1 P dV. Is the area under the PV graph, pressure volume graph. W is the work done. P is the gas pressure. V1 is the initial volume of the gas. V2 is the final volume of the gas. For a change in volume at constant pressure, W is equal to P delta V is equal to the area under the PV graph. So work done W is equal to P in bracket final volume V2 minus initial volume V1. How we determine initial and final volume? We look at the arrow of the process. So this is initial point, this is final point. V1 is the initial volume and V2 is the final volume. This is work done at constant pressure. For any process in the system which the volume is constant, no change in volume, the work done is equal to 0 because area under the PV graph is equals to 0. Figure 14.2 shows the pressure P against volume V, graph PV diagram, where area under the PV graph is equal to work done. Okay. PV graph A is the expansion of gas. The volume to final volume is greater than initial volume V1. So work done is greater than 0. The sign of work done is positive sign. Graph B is the compression of gas. Final volume is less than initial volume. So work done is less than 0. The work done is negative sign. Graph C is the expansion of gas. Final volume V2 is greater than initial volume V1. So work done also is greater than 0, is positive work done. Graph D, there is no area under the graph. Volume is constant. So work is equals to 0. Because volume constant, initial volume is equals to the final volume. Okay, work done in isothermal process. From the equation of state for an ideal gas, PV is equals to nRT, then P is equals to nRT per V. Therefore, the work done in the isothermal process, which change of volume from V1 to V2, is given by work done is equals to integral V2 V1 PdV. So area under the PV graph, the shaded green area is the work done by the isothermal process. So we go to the formula in the box. The work done for isothermal process, W is equals to nRT ln V final divide V initial, is equal to the area under the PV graph. For isothermal process, the temperature of the system remains unchanged. Thus, P initial, V initial, P1, V1 is equals to P final, V final, P2, V2. V2 per V1 is equals to P1 per P2. So, the work done by the isothermal process also, we can substitute V2 per V1 with P1 per P2. So, work done is equals to nRT ln P1, P initial divide P2, P final. By applying the first law of thermodynamics, thus, the heat energy Q is equals to delta U, change in internal energy, plus work done W. Because there is no change in temperature, the change in internal energy is equals to 0, because internal energy is depend on the temperature. So Q is equals to W. So Q is equals to nRT ln V2 per V1 or nRT ln P1 per P2. Okay, now work done in isobaric process. The work done during the isobaric process, which change of volume from V initial to V final, is given by, also is the area under the PV graph. The work done is equals to integrate V final V1 PdV. P is constant for isobaric process. So this is the PV graph for isobaric process. If we look at the arrow of the process, the point state 2 is the final state and point 1 is the initial state. So V1 is less than V2. The work done by the isobaric process, W is equals to P delta V, which is delta V is equals to V final minus V initial. Work done in isovolumetric process. Since the volume of the system in isovolumetric process remains unchanged, thus dV is equal to 0. So work done is area under the graph, integrate P dV is equals to 0. There is no area under the PV graph. for the isovolumetric process. So work done is equal to 0. Okay, this table shows the sign of work done, W. Positive work done for if the gas expansion, final volume V2 is greater than initial volume V1, and the work done is by the gas or by the system. The work done is negative sign if the gas is compressed, gas compression. So the final volume V2 is less than initial volume V1. So the work done on the gas or the work done on the system. Okay, thank you.